Puti puti o tua hiwi.
Yes.
Uri o hine matua tua huriri.
Boom.
No ia tamihi ki a koe.
Kia ora.
This
Thank
is-
you for inviting me.
Oh, yeah. We couldn't wait to get you in the car. when we first decided, Tahu Taxis,
Yeah.
thought, we've got to get Auntie in here.
Okay.
Look at these people in the way.
Hey.
Shoo them out of the way for us.
Where are they going anyway? They've only just had morning tea.
I don't know. What are these people doing?
Get out the road.
Hey, I got VO.
You guys
You got any
Tahuans.
room?
Hello, Tom's.
You've just had morning tea. Why are you going out to another one?
Okay.
Enjoy. Drive safely with our Tahu.
Of course I will.
Bye.
Jeez, they're hard things, aren't they? Telling me how to drive. What else has been happening in your world?
Well, as you know, I go to the pool every day. Not on a Saturday. There are too many kids.
Or we know what kids do in pools, don't we?
It's like, well, yeah. I mean, I have no problem if they're peeing in it, but yeah, turd. I was saying to the guys, pool mates in the pool, hey, what's this here? And it was a little brown something or other. And anyway, Alex, he puts on his goggles and he dives underneath and. Oh no, it was a Band-Aid.
Oh, that's not quite as bad.
Yeah, and I thought, oh my God, we'll have to get out of the pool.
Oh, code brown. It exit the pool.
No idea.
Chorus time.
I like that.
What are your thoughts about the kapahaka these days? Pretty amazing? You like this?
Absolutely amazing. And that was a spectacle at Matakitaki up at Heretaunga. And of course, needless to say, wanted our teams all to win. But you know the one that I favoured the most? Have a guess.
Te Pao.
No.
Te Pao or Tahu?
No.
Te Whanau.
No. It was the Ratana one.
Oh,
Ratana. Oh, damn it. What did I say, Ratana?
they were mean. They were on the first day.
Oh.
Early on the first day. They were great.
Their harmonies are perfect.
On point.
Well, and the what do you call the ultimate was the trumpets. Oh, it was just incredible. Yeah, getting all hyperventilated.
Well, you must be hyperventilating now because look at the windows are fogging up on us. What am I?
Should we listen to some music?
No, they're
Yeah.
not.
No, it's me.
You just keep watching the left.
Okay.
When you turn left, don't forget that. Oferitia e tua huriri ngā maunga te te e tu mai ne e rā ke hu ho i rapa mori ku me potune hoi hoi mai rā ki te tuahiwi hei whakamahara ki a rātou mā I hinga i runga i te pare kora hirihi hiriti me I he pā.
Miharo ke koe. You're amazing.
Nice.
You're amazing. Miharo ke.